So students, today we are going to learn storytelling. What we are going to learn? Storytelling. Storytelling, where we have to learn how to speak past incident. The incident that have already taken place, and now we have to speak them by using simple past tense. Today I will show you some sort of tricks, techniques that will help you to speak any story, any particular incident that you know and that you want to express. Trust me, after listening and watching this session, if you are watching this session online on our YouTube channel, so I would say guys, you are going to learn a lot of things through this video. So just watch this video till end, and trust me, you are going to learn a lot of things. So all the students, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Storytelling in English. What I am going to teach you? Storytelling in English. Remember one thing, students. If you are telling in a story, means you are going to recite an incident which has already taken place. Okay. In short, you have to use past tense. What you have to use? Past tense. मतलब कि स्टोरी टेलिंग में आपको पास्ट टेंस को यूज करना है, क्योंकि आप वो घटना को बोलने जा रहे हो जो ऑलरेडी हो गई है. और पास्ट टेंस मतलब कि आपको ये कुछ स्ट्रक्चर्स में लिख रहा हूं जिनका आपको यूज करना होगा. ये दो स्ट्रक्चर सिंपल पास्ट के और पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस के भी कभी कभी यूज होते हैं. मोस्टली सेंटेंस आपके इन तीन स्ट्रक्चर्स में आ जाएंगे. राइट. अब आप कोई सी भी स्टोरी टेलिंग कर सकते हो. यू कैन रिसाइट एनी स्टोरी, लाइक you can speak about my birthday celebration. You can say, you can give the title my birthday celebration. Okay. So everyone, see, when you are going to speak a story which is based on your celebration, birthday celebration, so you would say, on 23rd of December, I was very much excited. I was very much excited. 23rd of December को मैं बहुत ज़्यादा क्या था? Excited था. Because it was my birthday. It was my birthday. क्योंकि इस दिन मेरा जन्मदिन था. Because it was my birthday. Birthday जन्मदिन. जिस दिन हम दुनिया में हैं. अब आप देख रहे हो, I was, it was, getting, most of the sentences are from simple past tense. You can see that day, उस दिन, I woke up early in the morning, okay, and took bath. My mother sent me temple. Okay, I took the blessings of my parents and grandparents. Getting? I took the blessings of my parents and grandparents. मैंने अपने parents के और grandparents का आशीर्वाद लिया. Okay. So what you are doing exactly? You are simply speaking the incident that have already taken place by using these all structures. Are you getting? और ऐसे ही आप आगे और बोलते रहो. I went to temple. I worshipped the God. I returned from temple. Then I went to my uncle's home. I took the blessings of my uncle and aunt. My aunt, she gave me a birthday gift, and I was very much happy after having birthday gift. You know, my father ordered a cake, and in the night I called all my friends at my home, and we cut the cake. We enjoyed very much that day. You know, are you getting everyone what I'm telling you? So just practice this thing, because I'm going to call you on the stage to speak all these things. सारी चीजें बोलने के लिए मैं आपको स्टेज पर बुला रहा हूं, and you will come on the stage to speak your storytelling technique. Let's see how you are going to recite your story in your own words. मैंने आपको सिर्फ एक सोर्स बता दी, एक जरिया बता दी कि आपको अपनी स्टोरी को कैसे बोलना है. राइट. अब आपको बोल के बताना है, दिखाना है कि आप स्टोरी किस तरीके से बोलते हैं. सो तैयार सारे स्टूडेंट्स? रियली?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, speak dear. What happened with you?
I am going to share my experience about my New Year party.
Okay.
On the New Year day, first I
New Year party this 21st.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, please.
First I woke up in the early in the morning and I was very excited because my brother is also doing was also doing party and my
Okay.
friends were also doing party. So
Okay.
I have invited. I had invited in both of parties, so I was very excited. So I helped my brother in arranging the decorative materials of his party, and in noon he decorated his room. And my friend called me for for decoration, so I went to his home and I also helped him to decorate his room and all the arrangements. So at 7 o'clock, my brother's party was started, and I was enjoyed in his party also, and my friend's party also. So I was very excited because I am very lucky because I have invited in to both of parties. We fun very much.
Okay. And did you dance or not that day?
No, sir, I don't like to dance.
You don't like to dance.
Yes, sir.
So how did you enjoy?
Sir,
Generally in the party there is a dance, and everybody dance together.
Sir, we play games, we eat food, and we go for a walk on night at 12 o'clock.
But the party remain dull without dance.
Sir, my friends dance. Sir, I saw him.
You just see. You
Yes,
don't
sir.
dance.
Yes, sir.
Oh God. You need to learn dancing.
Yes, sir. Yes.
You have never danced.
No, sir, I danced in school annual functions and.
So the same thing I am telling ना. और
But
पार्टी
sir-
में तो मुझे पता है कोई प्रोफेशनल डांसर होते भी नहीं. In the party you simply have to dance
Yes, sir.
without thinking about others.
Yes, sir.
Just dance.
Sir.
वो song में ना just dance. Okay, so that was a very memorable day of your life.
Yes,
You
sir.
enjoyed very much.
Yes, sir.
And you attended 2 parties together.
sir.
Chali, that's very good. Clapping for him, everyone. Yeah, just come over here. Everyone, listen to Palak. She is speaking an incident. What you are going to speak first? Tell us.
I just visited Rajasthan few days ago, so I just in Vanasthali Vidyapit College.
Okay.
So I just talk about my incident there.
So everyone, Palak is going to speak an incident that took place few days ago. She went to Rajasthan and now she is going to speak what happened with her. She is going to speak every small thing. So Palak, you have to speak at least 10 to 15 sentences, more than 10 to 15 sentences. You just simply have to give a speech that what you have done. And how long, how many days visit it was?
At least 3 days.
Okay,
3
it
to 4
was
days.
3 to 4 days visit. So let's see how she is going to speak. Yes, please.
Okay, so 14th of March, I was in railway station, Khandwa.
Okay.
So there is a no direct train for Rajasthan, like my college, Vanasthali Vidyapit, Nivai. So I just go Bhopal. I just go Bhopal and
You say I just go Bhopal or I just went to Bhopal?
I just went to Bhopal.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
First you went to Bhopal.
Yeah. So there was a train at 7 p.m.
Okay.
And I was waiting like 2 to 3 hours in the waiting room.
Okay.
So I just very tired about that what I am going there and collect my luggage. So I just think I go there, Khandwa, got Khandwa. So I just think I'm we in Bhopal, so don't go and collect the luggage. So there is a no chance to offline colleges. So that's why I just go there. At 7, I just go there.
Okay, Palak, sorry to interrupt you again.
Yes,
I would
sir.
say what I am telling you, you are reciting an incident that has already taken place.
Yes. Sir.
Okay?
Yeah.
So just use simple past tense.
Okay.
Okay? You are making the same mistake again and again. Already I have told you students that I know that while speaking we always speak in present tense. And we need to keep in mind that we are here to speak the incident that has already taken place. Means we have to use the simple past tense.
Okay, sir.
Are you getting, Palak? Just work on these minor mistakes. Yes.
Okay. So I was visited at 7 to 6 a.m. early in the morning.
Okay.
So there was lots of formalities there. I
Okay.
don't think about there is a lots of formality there. So just I went there. First there is a watchman and just they says that you just waiting at least 1 hour.
Okay.
So I was waiting at least 1 hour in the gate, in the main gate of Vanasthali. So there was a lots of formality. They came and took a form. So I just filled the form and go, and he says you went to Arogya Mandir. There was a mandir. So I just
Temple? Okay.
Temple. So I just go there. I was go there.
I went there.
I went there for my medical, like what type medical, just like temperature or all about things. So I was go there. So there was a lots of formality also there. So there is just I was also waiting there for 1 to.
Okay. Tell me, you went there for collecting your luggage, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
why it took 3 days to complete? That we want to know.
Okay, because in Khandwa there is a no direct train, so that's why I just go. I went.
First you went to Bhopal, and from
Yeah.
Bhopal you took the train.
Yeah. So
Okay.
there is a Jaipur train, but there was a 2 minute of break, 2 minute of stay the train. So
Okay.
I am just running very fastly, and I was collect my luggage from the train, and the train was running. And here there was lots of also go college. There was a hostel. There was lots of formality also there. I
Okay.
just go 1, 2, 3, and then fourth. Just direct from the fourth. I was go there with my friends, and there was again form was filling with me, and I was go there in my room. So
Okay.
ma'am was,
Okay. That's very good. I what I would say that now you have completed your 15-20. I think 1 month you have done,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes,
So
sir.
Palak, just work on your mistakes.
Okay, sir.
You are making so many mistakes. Do you know that?
Yes, sir.
You are actually speaking in present tense.
Yeah.
And what you have to do is you have to use this simple past tense. That is why I have already written you structures over here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I went to temple, I did this work, I thought, just use simple past tense.
Okay, sir.
Okay, by going to home you have to practice it again.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Okay.
Chale, it was nice. Everyone clapping more.
Thank you.
Nice, Hassan.